Intrigued by the next frontier in fashion technology? From digital fashion to the future of AI trends, join us on this exciting journey as we bridge the gap between technology and style. Find out. Welcome to the 360 Fashion Podcast, where you'll get the week's top most important news items in the realm of fashion and technology. I'm Anya, your host from 360 Fashion Network. I read hundreds of news items from fashion, augmented reality, virtual reality, wearables, robotics, textile innovation, and futurism every day. I choose the most critical items to summarize for you, saving you time so you can focus on your business. Listen and subscribe to receive this roundup regularly. Now let's jump right into it. First, MIT creates shape-shifting furniture that can transform with a gesture. MIT's Tangible Media Group developed Transform, a gesture-responsive table built with 1,000 moving pins capable of reshaping in real time. It mimicked natural forms like undulating waves or shifting sand, merging tactile functionality with dynamic aesthetics. The project showcased a future where everyday objects could adapt physically to user interaction, reimagining interface design. This breakthrough hinted at how customizable, shape-shifting surfaces can inspire adaptive fashion, such as garments that respond to movement or environment for both form and function. News source: The Verge. When it comes to emergencies, this little invention will be priceless. Amir Hossein Emdadi crafted a groundbreaking piezoelectric nanostrip that turned hand motions into a source of kinetic energy, capitalizing on the electric potential in materials. This thin strip manipulated nanovipoles to generate electricity, even under harsh conditions, making it a beacon of innovation for energy-scarce regions. The device's dynamic reversal of the electric field showcased robust versatility, hinting at applications beyond just power generation. In the fashion realm, such technology promises a seamless blend of energy harvesting and style, potentially leading to self-powered wearables that charge as you move, revolutionizing how we interact with our devices and adornments. News source: ResearchGate. How to 3D print your personalized AI action figure. ChatGPT transformed user images into personalized action figure designs by integrating AI-driven preferences for outfits, poses, and packaging. MakerWorld's AI tool converted 2D images into 3D printable models after cropping and simplifying visuals, streamlining user creativity. Bambu Lab's advanced 3D printer brought these models to life, emphasizing precision, ease, and optional enhancements like vibrant colors or accessories. This process highlighted a future where fashion could adopt AI-driven personalization, customized wearable designs or accessories tailored to individual styles and movements. News source: CNET. Full body scan that checks health risks in minutes. Neko Health revolutionized preventative healthcare with a comprehensive body scan capturing millions of internal and external health data points in minutes. The non-invasive scan assessed heart health, blood sugar, cholesterol levels, and scanned for skin cancer risks efficiently and comfortably. Patients received instant blood work results, alongside a detailed review of moles and arteries, leveraging a mix of medical expertise and advanced technology. With fast, detailed health assessments becoming more accessible, the future of fashion tech may see integrated health tracking features in clothing, offering style with wellness monitoring capabilities. News source: Neko Health. Prophetic AI's lucid dream device. Prophetic AI designed the Halo, a headband device leveraging EEG sensors and ultrasonic technology to induce lucid dreaming while monitoring brain activity. It offered practical uses, allowing users like engineers and physicists to explore complex problems during curated dream states. Ethical concerns arose around privacy risks, sleep cycle disruptions, and potential long-term effects on mental health from the manipulation of brain activity. The device hinted at a future where wearable tech intersects with fashion, creating sophisticated sleep accessories merging functionality, personalization, and style. News source: Electro Pages. Here are the week's top news. If you want to get more fashion tech news items of the week, check out our new podcast, 360 Fashion, or go to 360fashion.net/podcast or search for it on your favorite podcast platform. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our latest episode. Let's get connected for our latest news and updates. Follow us on social media.